Hi, my name is Dr. Jay Desai, and I welcome you all to this very special video on universities for material science engineering in the UK. In this video, I am talking about different departments, schools, and their current heads. The source for this video is QS World University Rankings for Material Science 2021, and I have also taken the liberty to visit different department and school websites to come up with the information included in this video. There are two aims of this video. The first aim is to help students around the world decide undergraduate or graduate, that is master's or doctoral programs in the field of material science and engineering. And the second aim of the video is to help materials engineers and scientists to decide and apply for various teaching and non-teaching positions in the UK universities. So let's begin. Number one in the list, we have University of Cambridge. The department they have is Material Science and Metallurgy, and the current heads of the department are Professor Ruth Cameron, Professor James Elliott, and Professor Jason Robinson. Second in the list, we have University of Oxford. The department they have is Materials, and the current head of the department are Professor Angus Wilkinson and Professor Hazel Ascender. Third, we have Imperial College London. The department they have is Materials, and the current head of the department is Professor Peter Haynes. Fourth, we have University of Manchester. The department they have is Materials, and the current head of the department is Professor Sarah Cartmel. Fifth, we have the University of Sheffield. The department they have is Material Science and Engineering, and the current head of the department is Professor John Haycock. Sixth, we have University of Birmingham. The school they have is Metallurgy and Materials, and the current head of the school is Professor Alison Davenport. Seventh in the list, we have Queen Mary University of London. The school they have is Engineering and Material Science, and the current head of the school is Professor Hazel Screen. 8 in the list, we have University of Nottingham. The department they have is Mechanical Materials and Manufacturing Engineering, and the current head of the department is Professor Ian Ashcroft. 9th, we have University of Liverpool. The department they have is Mechanical Materials and Aerospace Engineering, and the current head of the department is Professor Rob Poole. I hope you like my videos, and to watch more videos and support my work, please press the bell icon to stay up to date with the channel and subscribe to see the videos as soon as they are uploaded. There is a challenge problem with the job market which I have seen, that after completion of graduation and post-graduation in metallurgy and material science, a significant amount of students are unaware of job opportunities, companies associated with their field of study, and company or organization's requirement. So it's a challenge for both job seekers as well as hiring professionals. And my attempt towards the challenge is that I want to start a new sponsored YouTube series where overview about the companies, the roles they hire metallurgists, materials engineers for, and their expectations from the same will be discussed. And through this video series, I want to make both getting a job for job seekers and hiring for companies easier and more fruitful. The content I will be covering in this kind of videos are brief introduction about company organization, global presence, in what role they hire metallurgists, materials engineers after BTech, MTech, PhD or their equivalents, what are the expectations and what hiring professionals look for, and if there is something or some suggestions by sponsors that can also be included in the video. So what is there for sponsors? The first thing which is there for sponsors is increased viewership and clear communications, which may make hiring easier. And second is, since it's a YouTube video, professionals from any country can view and apply if the requirements are met, and hopefully the viewership will increase every year. For suggestions, queries on the content, or for possible openings, collaborations, sponsorships, you can reach out to me on my LinkedIn page, email, or by commenting on the YouTube video. And if you have any general questions pertaining to metallurgy material science, then askmemetallurgy.com is a great website. You can, it's a students community, and that it has 15 sections like physical metallurgy, heat treatment, mechanical metallurgy, and so on. And the questioners can select a section most relevant to their question and post their question on the same. That is it for today's video. Thank you.